Just a quick one for fun. I thought I would show it to you all. Have a look. Now he gets jumped. Oh, they jump him. Two guys on a 60-year-old. Bang! He launches it back at him. Look at this, man. And then he comes back. Get ready. Square in the face. Now. Ooh. Ah. This is Australia. This is where you gotta admit, that was a clean punch in the face. Let's do it again. You ready? That's it. Now they're gonna come after him and they attack him. Boo! And look, 60-year-old man now is gonna fight back. Watch this. Bang! Comes right back for him. Throws him down. And then the second guy comes after him because his friend is losing because he's a stupid loser. They try to take him down. They throw him. Then he gets up. And then comes, are you ready? Now he's gonna punch him clean in the face. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's gone. That's it. Now the rest of the Aussies come forward. What are you doing, buddy? Then they run off. Here they come. They think they're gonna win. Bang! Links it. Oh! I'm waiting for the punch in the face. And here we go. Boom! Oh, mate. You gotta love it. I tell you what, you've gotta stand with this right-wing dude because if he loses, we all do. That was hilarious. Go watch the replay.